Founded in 1946, the success of County Materials family of companies has been driven by the hardworking people on our team. After 80 years in the concrete manufacturing industry, we remain committed to celebrating our team members for their skill, dedication, and the contributions they bring to our organization. During National Truck Driver Appreciation Week, we celebrate our professional team of drivers who play an essential role in keeping our roads safe, elevating the customer experience, and ensuring our products reach the people and projects building stronger communities across the nation.
Our truck drivers are often the face of our company and interact with customers in the field directly. Their skill and commitment ensure that our products are delivered safely, efficiently, and with the professionalism our customers expect and appreciate.
With nearly 2,000 team members, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.